Here's the sun. And here I'm officially down Forest Recreation Ground for the last event of the year. It is the Bonfire night FunFair. Well, tomorrow night, but I just come to have a look, see what's here tonight. So I know what I'm expecting tomorrow. It's looking fun and big already. One more night of giving hair. What I mean? Can't break what I've been building up this far. Yeah, you'll never tear me apart. Let's get down there and get a closer look. See what we're looking at. Right, so we're closer in. Looking good. There's where the bonfire is set up. That's the kiddies' bonfire night. And over there we have the FunFair. It's looking like it's going to be another enjoyable fair and event. Sorry about that, bit of wind. Yeah, it's all the excitement building up inside me. But yeah, everyone, get down, enjoy it. It's going to be a blast. And it's the last fair of the year, apart from Loughborough. It's miles away. But yeah, come, take the opportunity to get involved and enjoy this beautiful, look, atmosphere is back. I knew atmosphere would be back, mate. Like slidey things back. Atmosphere. A couple of stores. They're still building up. They'll be finished by tomorrow because we go live tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Mate, the extreme is back. What the hell? Atmosphere. Extreme. Crazy wave. Crazy wave is back. Extreme Sizzler. That's an alligator from Market Square. I think I just took that down now. There's the waltzer. It's looking good, isn't it, man? Looking good. The dragon's back. Dragon. That's the Dodgems or something. There's a crazy fun house. Still building up, nothing on these things. Yeah, that's that forward thing, Carts go forward. Extreme. The Tagada. Oh, the Tagada. Oh, some guys come on. Extreme atmosphere. And the high roller. Couple more kids behind, so that's it. It's looking great again this year for Bonfire Night. So, come and enjoy the party while it's here. It's only for one night only, so you don't want to miss out. Got some good big rides here as well. for anyone that loves rides. I just love fairs in general, so I'm going to be here for the fair and the fireworks. But yeah, time to get ready to party, baby. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to get ready to party. Well, it's looking good down there. I was up here longer than expected. It's pitch black now because I had to go on a bloody key hunt because my keys jumped out my pocket. I've got them back now anyway. When you get all the way up to the top of this ramp and then you realise your keys have jumped out your pocket and left you behind. Right. Now I've got to come all the way back down and look for the fuckers.